circles trying to get in your head. All of the time I could have loved you instead.
Hi everyone, today I want to show you and talk about this pearl bag. How to make this bead bucket bag and at your home or anywhere. I made this bead bucket bag and in a public place. Basically, I had a small show. I need to be there, and yeah, when I feel bored, I start to design and then one. So, according to this bucket bead bag, actually it's super easy to make, and it's so easy. As long as you learn how to create the first circle bead, and it's so easy afterwards, I promise. So let's get started. See how to make this bead bucket bag step by step. And also, I want to say something. I do use three, or you need to use like 3 or 2 sizes of beads. Like one is really big and the other one is really small. So what is the size I will show you guys in my video. And let's get started.
I am in a papa shop, the material over the pearl. I finish all of them like this. Now
this one that I have on is actually this.
I know they spoken highly of them.
Hey, congratulations! You must have learned how to make this cute bead bucket bag from my whole tutorial. If you have any question, just comment below. I will try my best to answer your question as soon as possible. And also, please subscribe to my channel to support me, and I really appreciate that. Also, you can be the first one to notify what is my next secret DIY craft video going to be. So, and anything else? Oh yeah, also for my Instagram, which is at @downmywayfashion, the same with my YouTube. Okay, so I will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.